Welcome to Quizmania. Let's test your knowledge of astronomy in this quiz for quick minds. Don't stay behind. Which planet has the most prominent rings? Saturn. What is the name of the fourth planet from the Sun, often called the red planet? Mars. What term is used to describe a massive planet primarily composed of gases? Gas giant. What are the circular depressions on the surface of the Moon caused by impacts? Craters. What is Earth often referred to as due to its appearance from space? Blue planet. What classification was given to Pluto in 2006, leading to its status change? Dwarf planet. What is the name of the dark, stormy region observed on Neptune? Great dark spot. What is the name of the star nearest to Earth? Sun. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Milky Way. What is the name of the bright cloud of gas and dust visible in the constellation Orion? Orion Nebula.